guys, look. On day 2, my GoPro started to mess up like it was doing before. So I only got basically a day and a half of footage while I was down there. It sucks. It's horrible. I was excited to film the whole thing. We had fun. It was great. It was a great time. I just wish I would have kept it all on camera. Like, I wish the GoPro would work, but it didn't. Now I'm home. I just got back yesterday. I came home, went to sleep, went to school all day. I'm back home. I'm exhausted. So I just wanted to let you guys know I couldn't film all of it. I was there for a week, but this is what happened on day 2. This is all I got, guys. I'm sorry. The GoPro was cutting in and out. It worked. It wouldn't. It worked. It wouldn't. So it's kind of all mixed up. But I'll put it all in order for you guys. You guys can check it out. Sorry, guys. I actually tried. I was excited, but this is all I got. So check it out. It's day 2. We woke up, showered. It's about, what time is it? 8 o'clock? 8:18. We're going to find something to eat before we gotta meet for a cruise or something like that. So.
Chicken fingers. Oh, that looks so good. It really does. The cobblestone.
I'm gonna get a breakfast, bacon, egg, and cheese. Hardcore jaywalked. We're not supposed to walk, but we walked anyway.
Right.
But honestly, that was my first time having Panera bread, and I wasn't too amazed, to be honest with you.
I have to go there for their lunch.
Oh yeah, true.
Lunch is good. Breakfast is set apart.
I'm gripping my phone so I don't fall in the hole. So the sign says pharmacy, so we thought it was just a pharmacy. But joke's on us now, it's actually got stuff. I need laxative. The Panera bread really just got me good.
Anti-diarrheal.
Oh yep, that's what we need exactly.
And then, like, with their roommates, just put in their food. Oh,
It's so rude. Pain relief for our headaches and stuff that we get. Well, that I get.
Just regular.
Oh god. Dude, I need to charge my camera before we go on this trip. Look I got a bar. Papa? Is it my papa? Papa!
What's that? What boy you saying?
I haven't seen her that much. She's been doing a lot of stuff.
And then, hey, hey.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it was in a movie. It was with Gunfire. Yeah, like.
Thank you very much.
Welcome aboard. Hi.
Everybody wave. That don't help any. Excuse me. There we go. Get to the boat. To the boat. We're on the boat now. The boat's pretty cool. We got free drinks. We're going to get free food. It's gonna be sick. Following Ames here. Jack up. Yup. Following Ames, and Ames knows what to do, I guess. Say what's up, Cole.
What's up, man?
Say what's up, Mudge.
What up, fam?
What you got in your hand, man? What is
Strawberry
that?
daiquiri.
Oh, oh.
It's not virgin either.
Oh.
Got that H2O. Key to success.
Oh my God. Down below, say hi. No, like you have to be way more excited than that. What are we doing? It's a video. Hey! Say hi!
What's that bird? Be in a kayak and
I'm gonna throw my GoPro at him.
catch it, sir.
He's like, I don't authorize you to use this on YouTube.
He yells one thing down the river.
There's somebody on the bridge right there. Hey, Mom! Hey!
Oh, look at her.
Don't do it. It's not worth it. Morgan's like, oh God, he's got the camera on.
I forgot.
Do a front flip.
The boot would have been cool too.
Back from the boat, we was hanging out. We went to go try to get our blazers fixed with the buttons, but they weren't there yet. Dude, I'm so burned. Now we're gonna go meet up with everybody else, go get some food, and we got the opening ceremony to go to. Yeah, I thought it'd be kind of cool. Are you ready? Oh yeah. We're gonna go try and meet up with all the other guys first. See if they're here or not. Oh, see me? Oh, here they come. What's up, foos?
I just want to make sure it's not somebody else.
What are you guys doing in here, huh? Huh? This is odd, dude.
Yeah, we were down at the pool.
Yeah, I know. I can smell the chlorine.
Can you?
Yeah.
I forgot my wallet. It was in my suitcase.
Shoot. Shoot.
I don't know.
Like the hair munch. How does Anna feel about that?
For the comb over?
Yeah, he's combing over.
There you go. There you go.
She said,
Good. Look at that.
yeah, thank you. Thank you, YouTube. YouTube community, you guys like that? Comment like that? You like that? Like this video for yes?
You like that?
Let me know in the comment section. You just get a bunch of comments. No, what the hell is that?
Yeah, there you go. Comment if you like Mudge's hair. If not, I don't know.
Hey, I can see the road.
You know, shoe big, right? You.
Seriously, is it like impossible to go down?
In my head.
Oh, wait,
Let's just pry these doors open.
How you do it louder than? Yeah, you can.